Traveling through cities in China is made easier by their high-speed trains. With their punctuality, convenience, and scenic views, we prefer traveling by train over flying. However, for first-time travelers, especially foreigners like us, navigating this experience can be intimidating and overwhelming. In this video, we will guide you through the process from purchasing tickets to exiting the station to hopefully make your travel smoother. Let's go over how to book tickets. Since we are not fluent in Mandarin, we preferred to book our tickets online. You can book tickets for second-class seats, first-class seats, and the most expensive, business-class seats. To prevent ticket fraud, there is a real name ticketing policy that requires your ID to purchase train tickets. In order to purchase tickets as a foreigner, you must have your passport. The tickets are electronic and linked to your passport, so be sure to bring your passport with you. We recommend two online booking platforms. The first one is the official China Railway website. The website is 12306.cn. They have an English translated website and app. We recommend downloading the app for easy referencing. You can also add other passengers to your account and purchase tickets for them, provided that you have their passport information. The quirk is, you cannot purchase tickets for someone that is using a Chinese passport or ID. When we first booked our train tickets, the website allowed us to book up to 4 trips online before we had to verify our identification at the train station. Now, online verification is available, which makes it even more convenient for non-Chinese speakers. The website will ask for a picture of your passport page. Once you upload it, your identification is now verified. You can use international credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, or also Alipay and WeChat Pay to buy tickets. Some things to keep in mind when using the official website. You cannot reserve tickets more than 15 days ahead. Even though the website and app is in English, it's useful to learn a few key phrases since many train station names that include the 4 cardinal directions are not translated well. Bei means north, Nan means south, Dong means east, and Xi means west. The second booking platform we recommend is third-party website Trip.com. They charge a booking fee. With Trip.com, you can reserve tickets up to 60 days in advance, unlike 12306, which only allows reservations 15 days in advance. However, please note that these advance reservation tickets are not officially confirmed at the time of booking. Essentially, you will be placed on a waitlist for the tickets, and once 12306 releases them, Trip.com will automatically secure your tickets for you. This website is easier to navigate for English speakers, with the translation for the cardinal directions if it is a part of the station name. The website also indicates the province of the city to help prevent misbooking cities with similar spellings. For instance, the station Suzhou is spelled the same in English for locations in both Jiangsu Province and Anhui Province, but they have different Chinese characters. The Trip.com website is useful in highlighting these distinctions. When booking tickets on 12306, I found having the Trip.com website open alongside it was helpful. You've booked your tickets, so let's talk about arriving at the train station. Arrive early. We try to be at the station at least an hour before our train departure time. Some stations are huge, and at peak travel times, there can be a line to get through security. When entering the train station, there will be an ID check. This is the first checkpoint you will present your passport. Look for the line that says Manual Channel or for these characters. The other lines do not have the ability to scan passports. Next, you will undergo a security check. Your luggage goes through a conveyor belt X-ray scanner, while you will go through a metal detector and a manual scan with a detector wand by security staff. After the security check, you can check out the eateries or shops some stations have. Check your ticket and the departure board for the boarding gate information of your train. The information is usually in both Chinese and English, unless it is a smaller station. The board lists what the status of your train is. Here are some important statuses you may see and the colors they may be in. Boarding gates usually opens 15 minutes before departure. When your train is ready to board, line up at the line marked Manual Channel, or simply where there is a person to check your passport. Usually, this line is the furthest most right or left of the gate. Have your passport ready to present to the staff. Take the stairs, elevator, or escalator down to the platform. If you are not boarding the train at its first station, you will need to line up at the platform for the incoming train. Along the platform, there are signs on the ground indicating where to line up for your coach. Since trains can vary in length, the signs are color-coded and the color assigned to your train can be found on the departure boards. All coaches are clearly labeled with the train number, departure and arrival stations, and the coach number. You are now on the train. Find your seat using the seat numbers displayed above the window. In addition to overhead racks, there are luggage racks located at the back of the coaches, as well as space behind the last rows of seats for luggages. Second-class seats feature charging ports, reclining seats, and tray tables. If you are hungry, trolleys come by with drinks and food to purchase. There are also hot water stations at the end of each coach. You can use it to make tea or instant noodles. On the train, you may find restrooms with either a Western toilet, squat toilet, or wheelchair access located between the coaches. The type of restrooms can vary between the carriages, so take a walk around to find the type you prefer. Let's talk about getting off the train and exiting the station. The train only stops briefly at each station. Have your luggage ready if your destination is not the last stop. You will pass through exit machines when exiting the station. Again, look for the manual channel and have your passport ready to scan. Congratulations! You have arrived at your destination. Always refer to the official China Railway website for the most up-to-date information, as procedures may have changed. Have you ever experienced riding China's high-speed trains? Share your adventures in the comments. Where did you travel to on your journey? Thank you for watching and happy travels!